Hello everyone, this is our new cobalt heat press machine. You can change the heating elements very quickly without using any tools. Now let me show you details. Unique memory screen touch LCD controller. There are 6 modes for your choice. Every time you use the machine, you just need to choose the mode. No need to set temperature and time. Bigger aviation plug. Quick release structure. You can change the heating elements very fast, no need tools, so it's more convenient to use. Enhance your efficiency.